हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ लेक्चर 3 to 9। इस लेक्चर में एक यूपीबीटी का क्वेश्चन लेके हम आए हैं जो बर्नौली थ्योरम्स पर आधारित है। जैसे आप यहाँ देखोगे, ए लिक्विड स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ 0.87 इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू ए टेपरिंग पाइप। टेपर्ड पाइप है। डाया ऑफ पाइप at x 150 mm and at y is 450 mm. Point x is 3.5 मीटर बिलो y, मीन्स ये पॉइंट आपका इससे जो है 3.5 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है। 3.5 मीटर के बिलो है। और प्रेशर एट x and y are 93 kPa and 61 kPa respectively. If discharge is 145 लीटर पर सेकेंड, फाइंड हेड लॉस एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो। ये क्वेश्चन आपका बोर्ड में पूछा गया है। तो आप यहाँ देखोगे कि x पर 8x ये पता नहीं है कि ये एग्जिट है या आपका एंट्री है। तो 8x आपका 150 mm डाया मीन्स योर 8 entry dia, you can say D1 equals to 150 mm, ठीक है। और 8y D2 equals to 450 mm, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर आप देखोगे Q बराबर कितना दिया है, Q इज 145 लीटर पर सेकेंड। तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 145 इंटू 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड। ये हो जाएगा, तब्दील इसमें हो जाएगा। अगर आप A1 निकालना चाहो तो A1 क्या हो जाएगा, A1 इज π/4 इंटू D1 स्क्वायर। तो ये आपका हो जाएगा π/4 इंटू D1 स्क्वायर। This is π/4 into D1 square. D1 is 150 into 150. This is 17.67. That is π/4 to 150 square. So better we put it 0.15. So this will be 0.017 meter square. This is 0.017 meter square. Likewise A2 equals to π/4 into 450, that is 0.45 square. This is your π/4 into 450, sorry, 0.45 into 0.45. This is 0.2025 meter square. This is one thing. So what is Q? You can find out B1 and B2. B1 equals to Q by A1 equals to 145 10⁻³ divided by your 0.017. So this will be your 145 divided by 0.017. This is 8529.4 into 10⁻³ So this is 8.5 meter per second. This is 8.5 meter per second. And what about B2? B2 equals to your Q 145 10⁻³ divided by 0.2025. So this will be your 145 divided by 0.2025. This is your 7 0.0, this is coming 0.716 meter per second. This is 0.71 meters per second, and that is 0.85 meter per second. 85 meter per second. This is coming how much? These are the B1 and B2. You have already find out B1 and B2. And now let's apply the Bernoulli theorem 8x. Bernoulli theorem 8x. X. So what will be the Bernoulli theorem 8x? P1 by rho g plus B1 square upon 2g plus Z1. This is your formula. P1 upon rho g. What is P1? P1 is your 93 into 10 to power 3 kPa divided by rho on a 0.87 into 1000 into 9.81. This is plus B1 square is equal to 8.5 square divided by 2 into 9.81. And what is Z1? Is 0. So let us find out this thing. So 93 divided by 0.87 divided by 9.81, this is coming 10.89 plus this is your 8.5 divided by 2 divided by 9.81. This is 3.68. So this is your 3.68 plus 10.89. This is 14.57. This is your 14.57. This is your 8x. And what about Jx? This is 14.57, 8x. And what about y? Y will be at y P2 upon rho g plus B2 square upon 2g plus Z2. This is P2 equals to 61 into 10 to power 3 divided by 0.87 into 10 to power 3 into 9.81 plus B square is equal to 0.716 square upon 2 into 9.81, and this is your 3.5 meter. So let us find out this thing. This is your H2. 61 divided by 0.87 divided by 9.81. This is 7.14 plus 0.716 square divided by 2 divided by 9.81. This is 0.26 plus 3.5. So plus 3.5 plus 7.14. This is 10.66 meter. So H1 is greater than H2 to flow from X to Y direction, X to Y. H1 is greater because H1 is greater than, this is your H1, this is your H1, and this is your H2. So H1 is greater than H2. So H2 is less than H1. So flow will be from here to here. This will be like this. And what is that? Find head loss. What is the head loss? Head loss will be difference of these two. Head loss. So you can find out the head loss also. Head loss equals to H1 minus H2. This is your 14.57 minus 10.66. So this will be your 14.57 minus 10.66. This is 3.91 meter. This is your head loss. So in this way you can solve the problem, and you can visualize it in a nice way that you applied at x and y. So thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.